level 1, 1. Level 1, 2.
Where you gonna start again? All out.
Level 1, 3.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready?
Start level 1, 1.
Guys, I'm running quick now. Don't beat the buzzer. I'm telling you, it's gonna waste energy. I like that you have nothing to push off this time.
Level 1, 2.
He doesn't know how to use it. Advance or something.
Level 1, 3.
It's not supposed to be this quick. It's supposed to be advanced. No, it's not.
You got a bug line. That's what on advanced.
Level 1, 4.
Look at how slow it is. No. The first year,
You got the army version.
Level 1, 5.
No, this is not for the normal people.
Level 1, 6.
Wait, why is it so fast?
Level 1, 7.
Yeah, that's it. Bigger strides. I'm gonna do it backwards.
Start level 2, 1. Level 2, 2.
No, let me just get there before it because level 2, yeah? That's level 2 too.
Level 2, 3.
No, you get to what? 50, 60? Yeah.
Where you got to level 16.
Level
But it was
2,
closer.
4.
We went this far.
How many This is fun.
It changes for each level.
Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7. Level 2, 8.
It might be a level 5 thing. I don't understand this. What? This is definitely advanced. Yeah.
Start level 3,
Quicker,
1.
I'd run the distance as well. Yeah.
Level 3, 2.
I feel like we're going to have to start sprinting in a second.
Level 3, 3. Level 3, 4.
Wow. It's turning up now. It's turning up now.
Level 3, 5. Level 3, 6. Level 3, 7. Level 3, 8.
No. I think it does get faster.
Start level 4, 1. Level 4, 2.
Alright. You know what you gotta do? Push up fast and then just ease into it. Watch.
Level 4, 3. Level 4, 4. Level 4, 5. Level 4, 6. Level 4, 7. Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1.
Start to see like, I want to get to level 10.
Level 5, 2. Level 5, 3. Level 5, 4. Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7.
Why is it 5 pace slide? You know it's to stop. It's to stop in the momentum.
Level 5, 8. Level 5, 9.
Hey. Yeah. Alright. See, level 5 goes up to 10.
Start level 6, 1. Level 6, 2.
There was supposed to be 3 trucks arriving from Hungary last night.
Level 6, 3. Level 6, 4. Level 6, 5. Level 6, 6.
Yeah, do you think it's the same? Level 6 is the same crowd, yeah?
Yeah, I don't.
Level 6, 7. Level 6, 8.
Come on, 2 more. 1 more, I think.
Level 6, 9. Level 6, 10.
Level 7, let's go.
Start level 7, 1. Level 7, 2.
1K.
Level 7, 3. Level 7, 4.
You lot all fit me, anyway. You lot run every week.
Level 7, 5. Level 7, 6.
And change leg. See the
Level
leg that you
7,
turn
come
with?
on.
Turn with the opposite leg. Turn my left leg.
Level 7, 7. Level 7, 8. Level 7, 9.
Because it's hard, you have to keep going. You can't stop.
Level 7, 10. Start level 8, 1. Level 8, 2.
Cool, slide it down, bro.
Level 8, 3. Level 8, 4.
Get real.
Level 8, 5. Level 8,
Level
6.
10, let's go.
I'm done.
Level 8, 7.
Finished. I'll leave it to the pros, man.
Level 8, 8.
Everyone's stripping now. Yes. Go peak.
Level 8,
Hey, guys, over
9.
there, pass the line.
Level 8, 10. Level 8, 11. Start level 9, 1.
Yeah. I'm done.
Level 9, 2.
I got level 7.9. I stopped at 8, but I missed one. So 7.9.
Okay, level 9, level 9.
Let's go, let's go.
Level 9, 4.
I don't run, fucking time.
Level 9, 5.
Yeah, I just hit the gym. I do like rowing and stuff like that, but I don't run it.
Level 9, 6.
That's the draw anyway.
Level 9, 7. Level 9, 8. Level 9, 9. Level 9, 10. Level 9, 11.
How did you go got 16 on that last time? Yeah. This one's obviously harder.
Level 10, 1. Level 10, 2. Level 10, 3. Level 10, 4. Level 10, 5. Level 10, 6. Level 10, 7. Level 10, 8. Level 10, 9. Level 10, 10. Level 10, 11. Start level 11, 1. Level 11, 2. Level 11, 3. Level 11, 4. Level 11, 5.
Keep going.
Level 11, 6.
Push it.
Level 11, 7. Level 11, 8.
Let's go.
Level 11, 9. Level 11, 10. Level 11, 11. Level 11, 12. Start level 12, 1.
Come on, keep going till you can't go no
Level
more.
12, 2.
Yeah, it's not normal, this is
Level
advanced.
12, 3. Level 12, 4. Level 12, 5.
Come on, you got this.
Level 12, 6.
Oh my.
Level 12, 7.
The hands are just...
Level 12, 8.
I'm red.
Level 12, 9. Level 12, 10.
Keep going. Huh? Let's see.
Level 12, 11. Level 12, 12.
See? I can see him running on it.
Start level 13, 1. Level 13, 2.
Oh, my chest.
Level 13, 3.
Let's see you.
I like the cheeky selfies at level 10.
Level 13, 4.
Yeah, I was like,
Level 13,
Oh, sorry,
5.
sorry.
You're going to see us up.
I haven't uploaded.
Level 13,
Okay.
6.
Oh,
Come, you walking a bit in the
Level
middle.
13,
Just
7.
Tell him to